In this video, we are going to see how we can automatically extend or expand the name range as we add new values, because every time we add new products here, we have to make all of these changes. Although it's very convenient, we don't need to adjust the formula. Just we go to the formulas, go to name manager, and we simply edit that. But every time for each single item, all the editing and this stuff, it doesn't suit me. So what I'll do instead is there are two solutions. One, we can cut all of this search box and don't place it ever in the middle of the data, because one, we always need to move it down when the data increases, and two, we cannot apply a smart techniques when the search box is just behind the data. So I'll just paste it here, just cut it, Control X, Control V, and here is our search box. Now what we will do is, instead of selecting the manual range from this point up till the last point of the data, we select all of these columns as our data. What happens is, whatever goes between these columns later on, whether it's row number 14th, 15th, or up till 100 or thousands or lakhs, whatever is within these columns will automatically be the part of data. So what we'll do is, we will not make all the changes in the formulas. Rather, we just go to the formulas, click on the name manager, and we just edit this. Instead of deleting, I just prefer to edit, go to the product table, and we simply remove this refers to and select all the columns in the reference. Not only it is more convenient, but also the references, if you notice, it's very simple. Just consider equals to A till D. So from A column till D column, this is just the sheet name to make sure the sheet reference is correct. When you use multiple sheets, it refers to the sheet as well whenever you select the data. Click OK, click close. And now we want to add some new products. So here are a couple of new products that you can find with the resources section of this video. So the file name is further extended car decoration products. I just highlighted it in different colors as well. So just paste it right here and let's test this. Ambient footwell light. Ambient footwell lights. So it's a difficult name, so I prefer to copy and paste it simply here. And you will notice that the product ID, make, and unit price is automatically mentioned, even if it was mentioned in not this area. Even if it was mentioned in this area, still it should work. On 111th row, I can just paste it here. And as you can see here, 214 chill drive and unit price is 180. Unit price is 180 chill drive. It has extracted the right product every single time. And that's the power of adjusting the name range to make the products automatically update in the name ranges. The other method can be a simple option as well. And that is, just select the complete table and press Ctrl T, T for table, click OK. And it will automatically not just format it for you, but it will convert this into a table. Then you can see a special tab where you can customize the formatting. And not only that, this table, if you go to the table design, has a name. So you can redefine this name to, let's say, product range. Hit enter. Make sure the name is fixed. And after that, what we can do is, whenever you want to add the new products, not only you can add it from here, just write it here in the next line, or otherwise just press tab, 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 and tab, and every single time a new field is inserted. But you can notice the formatting doesn't look right. That's because we have already formatted it in a particular way. I just need to adjust that. I used with the format painter to correct the formatting. You can do the same. And every time we press tab, it will show us the new results in a new line. Let me just remove the formatting first. So just undo this and remove this color and then reapply the formatting so that everything goes well. Now let's do this. Add a new line, press tab, 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 add a new line, or even if we write anything here, it automatically makes it the part of the table. And now what we can do is, in our VLOOKUP formula, instead of using product table as a table array, we can just use the table name as well. So I just removed that one. Let's define this table again. go to the table design and table 2, I just make it revised table, hit enter, make sure it is saved. So hit enter or click anywhere in the table and it will update. Now let's update our VLOOKUP formula equals to VLOOKUP automatically applied. But in the table array, I can just write instead revised table. As you can see, it's able to pick this range and column 2 and 0. And this is how it should work automatically as well. Just you have to drag it over to apply the formulas on the rest of the cells, and we just have to make the corrections in the column index number. Don't worry, I'll show you the automated method for this as well. But just for now, let's make it simple. So unit price is column number 4. Let's make column number 4, and that's how it works. Now this method of defining the table and then naming that table and using it in VLOOKUP, it's very effective, especially if you have a lot of different ranges or different tables upside down. So let's say that you have a data here, and then after some spaces you have a data here, and then after some spaces you have data here, and there are multiple tables that you cannot remove simply. So you can add it in the table, and then you don't have to select the range as a columns, and they will all work fine. And not only that, it will automatically update the results as well, even if we add the new products. So let's add this ABC 100, 200, 300, let's say. So let's write ABC here, and we can see it is able to identify and look up for this in the table. So just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.